So the idea was to take a group of new filmmakers and make a short film. So we picked a sci-fi genre film called Futura.
Hi, my name is Brandon Ragsdale.
My name is Layla Blackson.
My name is Max Brown.
Hi, I'm ML Greff.
Hi, I'm Ron McPherson. I'm the director of Futura. It's basically classic sci-fi. We all love sci-fi. We're big fans of the genre.
It's been really great working with this team and this cast. Has been really insightful, very educational, and just very fun. Everyone's very professional. Everyone does what they're supposed to. Everyone has a role to play.
The crew, it's been great. I mean, Ron, he's a great guy, you know, super easy to work with. Half the things he's about to tell me, I'm like, Ron, I already did that, you know? And some of the things I tell him, he's like, you know what, Max, you're completely right. Forget what I just said, guys, we're gonna do this.
Futura has just been incredible. Ron is awesome, and I've been learning so much from him. It's really nice, everybody on the same level, learning. We all have different strengths, but everybody's still just so great at everything.
The camaraderie for the cast and crew really has been amazing. You know, everyone's really meshed together, kind of like glue.
I've worked with a lot of film professionals, and when you watch Futura, I want you to know some of the people that were involved, this is their first time on set, first time in front of a camera or behind a camera, and I want you to take a look at how amazing they did. Do enjoy it. We made Futura for you. We're sci-fi fans, and we really hope that you have a great time watching it.